Hello everyone, my name is Shrishti and in this video we will try to understand the expressions of quantity, containers, a pair of, a spoonful of, a pinch of. There are so many terminologies that we use to express the quantity. We will try to discuss that in detail. Let's start. So I have few examples for you. A loaf of bread, a sheet of paper, a spoonful of salt, a pair of scissors. So I'm sure when I was saying these examples, you were able to frame the picture in your mind as per the quantity that I am trying to illustrate. Now let's continue with this further. He poured a glass of juice. It is correct. I'm talking about the quantity. The quantity is 1 glass of juice. Second is a bag of oranges. Okay. It could even be a basket of oranges. Fine. So this is depicting me the quantity of oranges that I have. Next, I have 2 tubs of yogurt. 2 tubs, maybe 1 tub is 1 kilogram in weight, or maybe it is 500 grams. I don't know about that exactly, but I'm just depicting it in a different form. Next is 2 boxes of tea bags. So there can be 20 tea bags in one box. I don't know exactly, but I'm just depicting quantity. First is one box, and then further one box has 20 tea bags. This is how we are expressing these quantities. So when I have a or an, I'll be using singular countable nouns. For example, an orange, a carrot, a coffee. It is okay. Just remember one thing, as we have studied in the school as well, a is used with consonants, an is used with vowels. Now, I have some, when I don't know the exact quantity, 10 oranges, 10 carrots maybe, or I'm not able to count them exactly. So I'll just say some oranges, some bananas, some coffee. Please give me some coffee. It can be 1 cup, it can be half a cup. And I can also say, give me some rice. Now, rice is something which is absolutely uncountable. Give me some milk, uncountable. Give me some water, again, uncountable. So with such nouns, I'm using some. And I can also have different forms of expressing this quantity, like a box of tools. How many tools are there inside the box? I don't have an idea, but I'm just saying one box of tools. Or maybe 2 packs of raisins. Now I cannot count all the raisins. It is not really possible. It can be done, but yeah, it requires a lot of time. So I'm just saying 2 packets of raisins. Now, as per the quantity which is written on the packet, let's say 250 grams, 500 grams, accordingly, I can judge, okay, this is the weight of this particular packet which contains raisins. So there are certain mistakes in these sentences. We need to correct them. There are some packets of cookies, not packet, but it should be packets. You can buy a bag of onions. She was thirsty, so she bought a bottle of apple juices to drink. She bought a bottle of apple juice. This is okay. Or even I can reframe the sentence as she bought bottles of juices. That could be right. But if I have article a, I cannot use bottles. It can be just one bottle of apple juice. I put a bowl of cereals on the table. She drank 2 glasses of water with her dinner. So with singular and plural, things will be changed. Now let's find the correct option. Alison used a dozen of eggs. The waiter poured a glass of water for the guests. He had a headache, so he went to the pharmacy and bought a packet of headache pills. The electrician carried a box of tools into the house. This is how I'm depicting the quantity. Sally made a jar of iced tea for everyone. No, it should be a jug of iced tea because tea is in liquid form. Jason and Fiona sent a bunch of flowers. Connor ate some cookies. I've got a tub of yogurt in the fridge. Sometimes you need to think what should be the correct answer, but it's better to think rather than being so much prompt. Can you go to the store and buy a tin of tuna or maybe a box of tuna? However, a tin of tuna would be more appropriate. Tuna is a form of fish. There is some milk on the floor. Do you want me to buy a bag of carrots? Ella is going to buy a tube of toothpaste. So you know all these containers, and using these you need to make sentences, and we recommend you to write the same in the comments box below. Match these sentences and the pictures. It's very easy. First is a loaf of bread. Third is a sheet of paper. And second one is a spoonful of chili powder. Why spoonful? Because the spoon is absolutely full with the chili powder. That's why. So she bought a baguette and 3 loaves of brown bread. Again, when we are talking about bread, it is served in different forms. So the second picture is the loaf of bread. Actually, it should be loaves of bread when I have 3 in number. And the first is baguette. So it is just depicting the type of bread. A sheet of paper is correct. A sheet of steel is also correct. A small part of paper, a small piece of paper, a sheet of paper. This is how we need to use the sentences as per the size of that paper. So we can say like this, give me some paper, okay. Give me a sheet of paper, give me a piece of paper. This is how we need to frame the sentence. Give me some papers is quite wrong here. So a slice of cake or a piece of pizza is also correct when we have to ask for that particular commodity. So we usually cut something with a knife to get a slice. Important, please make a note of it. And we can also use a knife to cut a piece of something, like a slice of cheese, a piece of pie, a piece of chocolate, a slice of roast beef, and a slice of pizza. I hope now you are able to relate it well. So describe each picture with an expression of quantity. A sheet of paper, 2 pieces of cookies, a slice of cake, a slice of pizza, lots of papers, many papers, a box of eggs, or maybe a tray of eggs. Both are correct here. A bar of chocolate, a bar of soap, a bar of gold or silver metal. So this is uncountable. I cannot count the ingredients used in that soap. I can just call it as a bar of soap. So this is how we use this expression to describe chocolate, soap, and gold. So when we are cooking, whenever you discuss recipe with your friends, you generally tell them a cup of milk, a pinch of salt, some drops of lemon, or maybe a handful of grated cheese. So the next time when you are discussing recipe with your friends, try to work on these quantities, try to just make a note of these quantities, and if possible, share that recipe with us in the comments box below. We would be happy to see these quantities. He grabbed a handful of popcorns and ate it quickly. Jeremy needed a pinch of salt and pepper. I want to take a shower, but I cannot find a bar of soap. He added a spoonful of garlic. You need to add a cupful of water or the rice will not cook properly. You need to melt 2 bars of chocolate. Now this will become bars, B-A-R-S. Fill the pot with water and pour in handful of pasta. Look at that child. He just grabbed box of candy from the bowl and ate it all. Or it could also be handful of candy from the bowl. I do not like spicy food, so I'm only adding a pinch of chili powder. Before frying the onions, you should heat a teaspoonful of olive oil. So can you describe these pictures? We just discussed about them. 2 bars of soap, some form of peppercorns, few onions or maybe a bag of onions, a bar of gold, pinchful of peppercorns, a glass of juice, few chocolates or maybe a box of chocolates and a slice of cake. A teaspoonful of the liquid, a tin of jam, a tin of corns, a box of tools, some leaves, some spinach leaves, a tray of eggs, and some loaves of breads. So we use these ingredients to make a dish. So as we discussed earlier, share your favorite recipe with us, but just try to focus on the quantity. Time to make lasagna. How many of you know how to make lasagna? I really don't know. I know how to eat it, but I don't know how to cook it. So yes, I'm just concerned with the quantity that is to be used. So maybe I can try with the hints that are available here. So a box of lasagna would be okay. Some onions, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, a packet of garlic. Maybe if I want to add more garlic, however, it would be too much. A tablespoonful of oil, some chili peppers or some chili corns maybe. That ways I can just discuss this recipe with all of you. Let's try some chocolate cookies. A packet of chocolates, a cup of milk, some butter, and a large spoonful of sugar. So which is incorrect from these sentences? A bar of salt is wrong. A sheet of carrots is wrong. A pinch of water is wrong. A slice of coffee is wrong here. Which is incorrect again? A carton of flowers is wrong. A bunch of hot chocolate is wrong. A teaspoonful of cookies is wrong. A piece of iced tea is wrong. So you need to be very careful with plural nouns again. We cannot have one gene, Jean. Some people use it, it's wrong. One gene's wrong. It is always a pair of jeans, a pair of spectacles, and pair of scissors. So with such plural nouns, we need to be very careful that we are using a pair of dash, dash, dash. So let's just quickly revise what we have learned so far. We talked about quantities, we talked about different nouns, and we tried to understand what kind of quantity is expressed in which manner. We talked about recipes too, and I'm sure this was a valuable session for all of you. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned with us for more interesting videos like this. Thank you and good day.